Hey, what's up you guys, this is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down the trade that I took on GBPUSD this morning during New York session, and I want to share what exactly happened. So if you've been following me for long enough, guys, you know that my strategy is order blocks. I don't talk about anything else, maybe sometimes Fibonacci, but probably 2 out of 100 videos. And my main strategy is order block, which is absolutely easy to use. There's no indicator involved and you can use it on any time frame you want. I do it on 5-minute time frame and I trade during New York session. So this one was a really cool one and I really wanted to show you guys why I try to pay attention to this trade and why I took it. But before that, let me share the results of Gold EA Incubator on 2 different accounts. This is the first account that we have and the account is up 56% in profit. This is completely hands-free. I'm not doing anything manually on these accounts, so whatever happens manually. And the profit is $609. As you can see, today's date is August 9th, the same as the chart, 56% in profit. So this is the brand new account that we installed on $5,000 and it's running on low risk, and so far it's up 3.81% with like almost 5% drawdown, because the equity stop protection is turned on, and the profit is $190 on this $5,190 account. So far so good. We are making profits, we are having consistent withdrawals on a monthly basis, and we are also doing other stuff because, you know, automation, in my opinion, could be one of the best options beside your job or your manual trading, because it's just a passive income. It's literally passive income. You don't have to do anything yourself. But let me show you why I try to take a position on GBPUSD this morning. So if you followed like this, my full tutorial video that I have for order block, you know that how to find high probability order blocks, how to find high probability demand zones, how to find high probability supply zones, and how to identify them. So in order to find a high probability demand zone, you need to find the last bearish candle, and if you want to find a high probability supply zone, you need to find the last bullish candle. So what I mean by that, guys, I'm not going to like go through every single detail on this video because I have a separate video for that. I highly recommend you to watch the video that I'm putting above this video. It's a card, and try to watch that video after this video so you can fully understand how to find high probability order blocks, which is, you know, high probability supply zone and high probability demand zone. So this is a high probability demand zone right here because this is the last bearish candle, and after that we have a huge candle that spiked towards upside. So can you see this, guys? There's a high probability demand zone right here. So if I cover the entire candle, see, this is the first candle that get out of the zone, and the next candle after that never tapped into the zone. See, so this gap right here from here to here makes this zone a high probability demand zone. And yes, that's how it works. So the next thing you need to do is just to wait for the price to tap into this level, and then after that what you need to do is to wait for a buy confirmation. If it gives you a buy confirmation, then you can go ahead and take it. So I love to use order, like, you know, limit orders, like buy stop, sell a stop, sometimes buy limit, sell limit. I like to do that, like pending orders. But in this case, what I did was kind of similar, but I want to show you what you can personally do. So we just wait for the price, we just wait and wait and wait, and then you see that the first candle that tap into the level is really important for us, because if any of these candles break below this area, then it means that this zone has been disrespected and we need to remove it immediately. So the zone needs to be respected. We need to have a bullish candle, we need to have a good confirmation that is telling us to buy the market, and then we can literally jump in. So this is what happens. A lot of people put their buy stop above this candle and put their stop loss below the candle or below the zone, and they can take your they can take their one-to-one trade, and some people want to take it all the way to the next resistance level, which is this area right here. So it's totally up to you. I always say that on my videos, that if you want to do such a thing, it's way better to have multiple positions opened, so you can take your one-to-one first, and once that one, you know, smash, then you can have your other TPs. So for example, I have 2 positions, and then I take my one-to-one first fixed, and once that one is smashed, I move my stop loss to break even for the second one, and then I take it longer. So if it hits my stop loss, it's break even, and I only take half of my position. So this is what I can do, but it's totally up to you what your strategy is like. So if I do that, guys, as you can see, the next candle after that triggers my position. I have my stop loss here, and if I want to hold this trade, you see that I can do that. So 1-to-1 is already done. It's even more than that. Exact 1-to-1 is right here. So let's say that I want to take it, like, you know, hold it all the way to up here. Let's see if it goes all the way up there or not. Okay, so as you can see, it didn't quite tap my TP because my TP was here. But if I wanted to take it all the way to here, this resistance level, then I would have taken it. Look at this. Can you see this shadow here? So if I put my TP here, like the closest resistance level, then my TP would have been smashed. So that's a really good strategy, guys. If you pay attention, you see that it's 1 to almost 3 risk to reward ratio, which is absolutely crazy. And I mean, you can like do such a thing a lot every single day during New York session. But I personally, as I said, I take my TP right here. I'm done for the day. If I make 1%, 1.5%, I'm totally okay with that. And then I can go for my day. So, but here we don't have any high probability supply zone because there is no gap for the last bullish candle. And that's why I didn't identify any zone here. So I just noticed that we have resistance levels. So you just need to identify these levels. After that, you can take your TP around these levels here. So as you can see, 2.42, so almost 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And that's it. That's all you can do, guys. One position here, one position here. You can go for the day, and yeah, that's it. So there's also other strategies that you can use for this one, but it's not really recommended because you don't want to confuse yourself. Just stick with this strategy, and I can guarantee you that you can be profitable. So, but if you want more help, but you think that you know, you kind of need more assistance to fully learn this strategy, feel free to click the link below this video that goes to my one-on-one mentorship. We can have an hourly session, and I can actually you know, show you everything in details. And if you want to backtest it with me, I also do that as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this strategy or Gold EA Incubator, feel free to ask me, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a good day.